guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you. Today is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to be doing a haul for resin. For my birthday and Christmas, I received Amazon gift cards, which is what I asked for. So this is the stuff that I bought with it. I also have a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree that I want to share with you. So yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys on pause for a second and unwrap these because I know I hate that crinkling sound when packages are opened on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and open everything up so that way you guys don't have to hear that. And I'll be right back. Hang on. Alright, so everything is unwrapped as far as resin molds are concerned. There's hairs on this one already. I just took it out of the packaging. Anyway, so these right here are trinket dish molds. So just imagine it like this, but without the gridding in there. That's obviously to support it. So you pour on this side to fill it up. So a large rectangular, ovular, I don't know, dish. A round one, and then two smaller ones, a heart and a square. So those were nice. I got those pretty cheaply on Amazon. Pardon me. So this is like a candle holder mold or another trinket dish mold. It can be pretty much whatever you want it, but they are in the shape of, let me see if I can get a good close-up for you, crystals around the sides. So I thought those were pretty cool. So I got two of those, again, pretty cheap on Amazon. These are the ones that I'm most excited about. I finally got some square and hexagonal, octagonal, I don't know. I can't math. So, whatever this shape is called, I got 4 of each of these and the square mold. So, I will have some coasters using these very soon. As a matter of fact, these square coasters I will be using these with. These are trivets, I believe they're called. Yeah. And you're supposed to use them to put like hot pots onto and stuff when cooking. But I saw an awesome blog post where someone poured different colored resins into here and then cut out the individual shapes and made Tetris pieces on a square coaster. So I was like, wow, that is a really cool idea. I really, really like that. So that's what I'm going to be using these for. I really only needed one, but it came with 2, so. And the last thing from Amazon, actually 2 other things from Amazon. You're kind of sitting on one. I finally got myself one of those bars that is like a boomstick, so it holds the camera flat out. So that way you guys can see from above. But then I got to thinking, that's probably not going to be very useful when I'm doing stuff on a coaster and you can't see because my hand is in the way. Anyway. So I got that, but I also got this. It's a huge, huge silicone mat. And I got this to put down on here because that way if resin, you know, drips onto it or anything, you know, it'll just come right back up because this is silicone. So that's what I got from Amazon. Stick tight. I'm going to grab this stuff from Dollar Tree that I just got the other day, and I'll show you that. Alright guys, so here's what I got from Dollar Tree. Some of these frames are a little bent out of shape, but they're metal so I can bend them back together. But I got 2 of these display easels to display the resin pieces on after I've completed them for like, you know, the wine butlers and stuff, so that way I can take pictures of them and it won't be on like a weird, you know, wooden background or something. So I got those. I got 3 bags of this. It's called crushed glass. So I got pink, green, and blue. And so I figured I could use these in some of my resin pieces, maybe as like a geode center kind of thing. So those are nice. I also got some sand because I'm planning on doing some beach themed ocean wave kind of scenery. I got these 2 makeup brushes, not for makeup, but so that I can spread mica powders into my molds and stuff before pouring resin. I want to try that technique out. I got some emery boards so that I can file down any ledges or anything on my pieces after they come out of the mold. I got some wipes because any crafter knows that baby wipes is one of the most essential things in your craft room. And I was running low. And I found these 2 wooden cutting boards. So I think this is where I'm gonna do probably the ocean waves. Either this will be the sand and the waves will be up here, or this will be the sand and the waves will be here, like running into it. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm excited but nervous because I've watched many a person do it, and inevitably they all have to do a second one because the first one doesn't turn out very well. So I'm excited but nervous. So anyway, so that's my haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like the video, give it a like, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. I don't really care. Give it a comment. Thanks again, and take care.